Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to add blur in Capcut. So let's begin. First of all, open Capcut after importing the clip or video. Now you can see option bar at the very top right. In the option bar, you will find effect option at the middle. Click on it. And in the search bar, type blur and click enter. It may take few seconds to load. Now after this, you will find many different types of blur that you can use in your videos. Now for demonstration, I use this blur. Drag the blur to the timeline. Now as you can see, blur is applied in my video. Now if you want to change the intensity of blur, here you can find an option. You can use this option to increase or decrease the intensity of blur. One thing you need to remember, that blur intensity changing option that you can find in the effect option in Capcut. Now for some reason, if the blur tape is invisible from the timeline, then you just need to right-click on the timeline and click on Edit Effect. Then blur tape will visible. If you want to adjust the blur, so select the blur tape, and at the end of any corner you can adjust it. Now if you found this video helpful, so give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.